Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we show you the product summary of our LSA Logan 90 liter. Let's go and open up the box.
For step 1, you require parts A and B. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require 2 parts C and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require 2 parts D, the screws, and the Phillips screwdriver. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require part E, the laundry bag. Let's assemble now. Please be advised that this product does come with 2 of the inside laundry and 6 of the Ziploc bags. Thank you for watching the product summary of our LSA Logan 90 liter. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product summaries, more of our products. Thank you.